Welcome to this video, and if you're looking for an interior cleaning, satisfying ASMR relaxing video, this should do it for you. I'm cleaning two seats here. This is from a detail that I did a while back. So you'll see me shampoo, use a steamer and extractor on these seats. Now I wasn't in a rush when I was actually making the video, so I wasn't able to get afters, but I'll just shut up. You can watch the video and then I'll talk to you at the end of it. If you're interested in any of the tools and products, I'll have them linked down below. But let's go ahead and just jump straight into the video. Because it's such Actually, let me jump in mid-video just to explain what I'm doing. I'm using a IK9 pump sprayer with super clean diluted 10:1. I'm using a drill brush with a drill attachment to agitate, as you can tell that. I'm using the Vapor Clean Pro Duo 6 as a steamer and the Aqua Pro Vac as an extractor, and I'm combining all that to shampoo and clean the seats. Now those items are quite expensive, but check the links down below for some alternative options that I used to use or that you can just buy if you want. And I'm using that to clean these seats. I know. I wish I'd have got more afters. I didn't. I'm sorry. I was in a rush. I had like 7 hours on that job, and I was like rushing as much as I could to get these videos out. So if you see some other videos that I did a while back, I was like talking fast. I'm sweating. I'm kind of breathing kind of hard. So hopefully you've enjoyed that video. I don't really post these types of videos anymore. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns about the process. If you want to do it for yourself on your personal vehicle. Other than that, check the links down below for the tools and products, or maybe if you want to start your own detailing business. But I'll see you on the next one.